When families attend an open casket service, they often assume the peaceful appearance of their loved one is simply the result of makeup. But in some cases, funeral professionals perform highly specialized restorative work that goes far beyond cosmetics. What happens when illness, injury, trauma, or medical treatment changes a person's appearance before the funeral? Today, we're taking a respectful look at the art and science of funeral cosmetic restoration. Welcome. As part of our ongoing educational series from the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, we're exploring the often unseen work that helps families experience a meaningful final goodbye. Funeral cosmetic restoration is one of the most skilled and compassionate services provided within funeral care, yet many people know very little about it. Let's take a closer look. Cosmetic restoration refers to the techniques used to improve or restore a person's natural appearance when physical changes have occurred before a viewing or funeral service. These changes can result from a prolonged illness, significant weight loss, cancer treatments, accidents, surgeries, trauma, or other circumstances that may alter facial features and overall appearance. The goal is not to make someone look different. The goal is to help families recognize the person they love. Funeral professionals understand that a final viewing can become an important part of the grieving process. For many families, seeing a familiar and peaceful appearance provides reassurance, comfort, and a sense of closure. Many people are surprised to learn that restorative art is actually a specialized discipline within funeral service. Some funeral professionals receive extensive training in anatomy, facial structure, color theory, sculpting techniques, and cosmetic application. Every restoration is unique because every individual is unique. In some situations, restoration may involve rebuilding natural contours that have changed due to illness or medical conditions. In other cases, special materials may be used to restore facial symmetry or recreate natural features that have been affected by injury. Funeral professionals carefully study photographs supplied by family members to understand how the person appeared in life. They look at details such as facial expressions, hairstyle, skin tone, and other characteristics that made the individual recognizable to family and friends. The work requires patience, attention to detail, and a deep respect for the deceased. Cosmetics also play an important role, but not in the way many people imagine. Funeral cosmetics are specifically designed for post-mortem use and differ from everyday makeup products. Their purpose is to create a natural appearance under funeral home lighting conditions while addressing changes in skin tone that may occur after death. The application is usually subtle. The best cosmetic restoration often goes unnoticed because it appears natural and familiar. Families sometimes ask whether cosmetic restoration is intended to create a perfect appearance. The answer is no. The objective is not perfection. Instead, the goal is to present the individual in a dignified manner that reflects how loved ones remember them. Funeral professionals often describe their work as helping to tell the final chapter of a person's story with compassion and care. In many cases, families express tremendous gratitude after viewing their loved one. They may say things like, "That looks just like Mom," or "Dad finally looks peaceful." Those reactions remind funeral professionals why restorative work matters. Although not every family chooses an open casket service, cosmetic restoration remains an important option for those who do. It can help reduce anxiety, ease difficult emotions, and provide an opportunity for meaningful farewell moments that might otherwise be impossible. For some families, it becomes one of the most memorable and comforting parts of the funeral experience. Funeral cosmetic restoration is a blend of technical skill, artistry, and compassion. While much of this work happens behind the scenes, its impact is often felt deeply by the families it serves. By helping restore a familiar appearance, funeral professionals help create an environment where love, remembrance, and healing can begin. Thank you for joining us for this educational presentation from the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe for more educational funeral content. I'll see you again in the next video.